Yan guys, done decorating my Christmas tree. Yan. Mamaya ko na siya, ano siya guys. Pailawan kasi medyo may araw pa. Yan. So, mamaya natin siya ano ng ilaw. Tapos ito siya guys. Ilalagay natin ito mamaya dito. Ito. Diyan sa itaas. Yan ang tradition naming mag-asawa. Sabay namin dalawa ilalagay. Yan guys. Advance Merry Christmas guys. Simple lang siya guys. At least, meron kami. Yan guys. Tsaka hindi lang yan guys. Meron din ito dito. Yan. Tsaka dito. Yan. Pakunti-kunti lang muna guys. Saka na yung iba. Yan. Plano ko sana guys dito lagyan ng ng langsang. Ano ba yung tawag? Yung nail. Ilalagay ko to yung Christmas light. Meron pa akong isang Christmas light dito guys. Ayan. Pero hindi ko alam kung saan ko ilalagay. Dito ba? Pag ganyan? Or pwede din siya dito guys. Diba? Pag ganyan. Sa TV. Pero kailangan ng ano ba yun? Parang nandiyan na yung asawa ko May narinig ako. I heard something guys. Ano guys, dito ko ba ilalagay yan? Yan. Tingnan natin guys. Parang nandiyan na yung asawa ko. Ay, wala pa guys. Kala ko nandyan na. So, napag-isipan ko guys, dito ko ba ilalagay or dito? Yan. Yung kapitbahay pala namin guys. Hi guys! So, we are putting now.
I put together. Love you.
Love you baby.
No. Okay? It's okay.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay like that. Or put another one.
No, this.
Okay. Yay!
Bravo. Love you.
Love you. Make picture. This is it guys. So we put already the star in the app last night, so it's okay. So but I think we need another more decorations. So now maybe later if I have money. If I have money to buy something. So here, some here. Only this one, my decoration guys. Yan. And this one we need to change the cover for the sofa. So maybe it's red color, but not now. Later also if Christmas is coming. So now it's okay. Yan guys. This is my simple, very simple decoration. Yan guys. And here they changed already the tablecloth guys. Yan. Merry Christmas. Thank you for watching guys. we need to make vlog again if we have a more decoration. And guys, thank you for watching, guys.